If you're looking for a unique charger for all of your devices, I think the one in this box from MFish may just be the right choice for you. Now, MFish did send this charger over for the creation of this video, so let's get right into it. All right, now let's get right into this charger. I really like the design of the box with this MFish charging cable and charger. Just a really cool like chrome look to it here with some really nice design work on the front. Now, looks like we have a user manual here. Definitely worth taking a look at to see the exact specifications and use cases for this charger. We've got some information here showing exactly how much wattage is available depending on the combination of ports that you use with this charger. Now, inside, again, we've got some really nice packaging material, some molded plastic here with some MFish branding. I really like that design work there, not just plain plastic or cardboard inside, just really nice attention to detail with this charger. Now let's go ahead and pull this out of the packaging and get that out of the way. Now, what we have here is a 1.5 meter or 5 foot long extension cord with a nice Velcro strap, it looks like here, to keep things nice and tidy. Like I mentioned, a 5 foot nylon wrapped cord, going to give you a lot of durability with your cable while also being pretty flexible. I really like that, and I really like the unique look of this plug on the end here. Unfortunately, it's not like a flat style, so you are going to have to take into consideration exactly where you are plugging this plug into the wall. But you know what? I like the design of this. And like how they have gone outside the box with their design. All right, now we've got a little bit of a protective material on the outside here. Let's go ahead and just get that peeled off real quick so that we can get a closer look at the charging end of this cable. Now, this is a really unique feature here. This is a 65 watt power charger. It's a GaN style, so it's going to run nice and efficient and cool. But the cool thing is, this just unplugs from that extension. So we've got that 5 foot extension here, really handy. Let's move that off to the side and just take a closer look at the charger itself. Now, as you can see here, we've got the 65 watt designation. And again, that depends on which exact ports on this charger you are using. Now, speaking of ports, we have two Type-Cs, one at the top and one at the bottom. Those are labeled Type C1 and Type C2. And then we have a nice USB Type A port in the middle there. And again, depending on which ports you're using, you can get up to 65 watts of power delivery from this charger. So if you're using just the top USB Type-C or just the bottom USB Type-C, you're going to get those 65 watts. If you use a combination of them, what you can get is like 45 watts out of this bottom port. And if you also have the top two connected, you'll get a maximum of 15 watts power delivery there. So really, just kind of depending on what you've got plugged in, it's going to give you up to 65 watts of charging power. Now, it does have a plastic body to it, but it is quite hefty. We've got a little bit of a soft touch plastic material here. And the cool thing about this end is this actually flips down to be nice and compact. So if you don't need the extension cable to come with you, you can just toss this in your bag or even your pocket and don't have to worry about bending these power plugs here that are going to go into the wall. You can keep them nice and compact and safe within the body of the charger itself. I think this is a really cool charging option for your devices. If you're looking for something kind of stylish and unique, but you also need like the functionality of a long 5 foot cable to go with it. I really like that it just simply plugs in and extends the range of this charger. Really cool options with this MFish 65 watt GaN fast wall charger.